In front of me is Oukitel WP35 and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use keyboard Clipboard. You need to begin by launching your keyboard and clicking on Clipboard at the top of it. Then use this switcher at the top right corner to activate it, and go back by tapping on this arrow at the top left one. Now to use Clipboard, you need to copy or cut any text. And to paste it right away, tap on it at the top of your keyboard. To paste it later on, click on Clipboard and tap on it here. To pin it, use this pen at the top right corner, click on your sentence and tap on pin icon. You can unpin it the same way. To delete it, click on the pen, select your sentence and this time use pin icon. Last but not least, to disable Clipboard completely, use the same switcher as before. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!